Hello guys, and thank you for purchasing price tag project from Motionist. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can use this project inside Adobe Premiere and how you can add it on top of your project. To do this, I've opened Adobe Premiere and I've imported my footage inside the timeline as you see. And to add in the price tag on top of this, what I'm gonna do is going to Window, open Essential Graphic Panel, and in Essential Graphics Panel, down right side, I'm gonna click on this icon, Install Motion Graphic Templates, and I'm gonna choose Mogrts. Once you download the price tag, what you can see is this folder, price tag, which contains the Mogrt help, which the video help is inside it, and the font folder, which contains the link to the fonts that are used inside the pack. I'll go to the Mogrts and choose one of them. Hit open. And then inside Essential Graphic Panel search bar, I'm gonna search price tag and hit enter. As you can see, the Mogrt is here. I just need to select it, drag it, and drop it on top of the footage or the project. Next thing is to select it, because all these tags are made in 4K and my sequence is in full HD, so the price tag is showing a little bit scaled up or bigger than the frame. What I need to do is to go to Essential Graphic Panel again. This time, instead of Browse, I'll go to the Edit tab and scroll down. Then here you can see the scale and the position. I'll scale down and reposition the tag wherever I need it to be. Then I start to change the texts. Here, instead of 50, I'm gonna put 70. Let's be generous. 70% discount. And shop now, I can say mega sale. Mega sale has been updated up here. And super sale, maybe it can be season sale. And maybe needed to be in another line like that. And of course I can change each text separately. I can change the position of each text separately by the controllers, position controller, down below each text, or I can scale up or scale down the fonts here to adjust it and make it look perfect. Then I can change the colors to match up the scene or my brand color palette. So this one, I'm gonna change it to white. Let's say that's enough. I'm not gonna mess it up totally. I'm gonna just adjust the color a little bit. And this could be good. Okay. So if I play it, as you see, the red line up here needs to render to show it smoothly, but I'm gonna try my luck and see if, yeah, it shows exactly. All right, that's it. As easy as that, you can use these well animated price tag inside your project and make it look super professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in next project.